How to remove stains from upholstery. Cleaning solutions for removing stains from upholstery. The choice of right techniques and type of cleaner is important while removing the stains from upholstery. Following are some of the cleaning solutions for removing stains from upholstery. 1. Detergent and water solution. Take half teaspoon of washing detergent in a quart warm water. Pour it over the stain. Allow it to dry. Repeat the process again. This solution is very effective in removing the stains of blood, alcohol, coffee or tea. 2. Non-flammable liquid solvent. Dry cleaning solvents contain petroleum solvents and hydrocarbons. They are highly flammable and poisonous. They should be used in a very less quantity without breathing its fumes. It is effective in removing stains from rubber cement, paint or lipstick. 3. White vinegar. To remove the stains permanently from the upholstery, white vinegar is an effective cleaning agent. Prepare a solution by mixing white vinegar with water. Spray it over the stain and blot it until it dries. 4. Ammonia. Mix ammonia with dishwashing soap and water to remove the stains from the vomits or acids. It is a cheap and easy method of removing the stains from upholstery. Avoid inhaling the fumes of ammonia. Ammonia can cause burns and irritation if it touches the skin. 5. Alcohol, isopropyl. Rubbing alcohol is an effective solution of removing the stains from upholstery. It's effective in removing the stains from fruit juices, pen ink or soft drinks. It is important to remember that alcohol can affect some dyes. Hire professionals for best service. If the stains are not removed instantly, then it gets stabilized and becomes tough to remove. In such condition, professional services are very helpful. The professionals are highly skilled and experienced for the removal of all type of stain. Fresh Upholstery Cleaning are the professional in cleaning of all kind of stains from upholstery. Thanks for watching. Get free quotes, 24 hours upholstery cleaning services. Call us today. Follow us on